welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to open Vantage trading account step by step. So first of all, you want to go to the website here, vantagemarkets.com, and then we can either open a live account with an email address or a phone number. So go ahead and pick one of these and do an email password and fill out and confirm these. So when you verify your email, it will come to this page here. And then once you've created an account, you will have to verify your personal details, so go ahead and do that. Press send OTP, and then that will go to your email address, in which you can put in the code to verify your email address. After you've submitted that, you'll have to input your phone number. So once you have verified your phone number, you will need to put in all of the following personal details, and then press submit when you've done that. After you've done that, it says about depositing money into your account, so go ahead and do that. So here we have some different setups that we can choose from, account types, currency, and etc. So go ahead and click all this and press submit. And as you can see, my trading account has been officially set up. So from here, we can go ahead and deposit the money into the account in order to trade. But yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.